Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more amazing content. The internet has revolutionized how we live, work, and interact. But this digital revolution has come at a cost. Our privacy. Every click, every search, every online interaction leaves a digital trail that can be followed, analyzed, and exploited. In an age of mass surveillance, data breaches, and online tracking, anonymity is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Your online activity can reveal your political views, religious beliefs, sexual orientation, medical history, even your most private thoughts. This information can be used to manipulate you, discriminate against you, or endanger your safety. Imagine a world where you can express yourself freely online without fear of retribution. This is the promise of digital anonymity, taking back control of your digital life and safeguarding your right to privacy. So, how do we reclaim our digital privacy? One powerful tool is the anonymous operating system. Unlike conventional operating systems, anonymous OSes are specifically designed to protect your privacy and anonymity. They achieve this through techniques like encrypting your internet traffic, masking your IP address, and preventing websites from tracking your online activity. Tails, the Amnesic Incognito Live system, is a popular choice for its ease of use and portability. CubesOS uses virtualization to isolate different aspects of your digital life, limiting damage from malware and other security threats. Wunix routes all your internet traffic through the Tor network, making it extremely difficult to track your online activity. The choice of which anonymous OS is right for you depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Embracing anonymous operating systems is a crucial step towards reclaiming your digital privacy. Tails, or the Amnesic Incognito Live system, is renowned for its user-friendliness. This guide will help you install Tails. Step 1. Download Tails. Download the Tails image file from the official website. Verify the file's integrity to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. Step 2. Prepare your bootable media. Use a USB stick with at least 8 GB of storage. Format it using a tool like Rufus. Step 3. Transfer the Tails image. Transfer the Tails image onto your USB stick. Step 4. Boot from the Tails USB. Insert the USB stick and restart your computer. Access the boot menu and select the USB stick. Step 5. Start Tails. Follow the on-screen prompts to configure settings. Wunix takes a unique approach to anonymity by leveraging the power of isolation. It employs two virtual machines, the Wunix Gateway and the Wunix Workstation. The Wunix Gateway routes all your internet traffic through the Tor network, hiding your actual IP address. The Wunix Workstation, where you run your applications and browse the web, operates within a tightly controlled environment. This separation ensures that even if malware compromises your Wunix Workstation, it cannot reveal your true IP address or location. This isolation provides an extra layer of security and anonymity, making it an attractive option for users who prioritize privacy. The combination of Tor's anonymity network and Wunix's isolation techniques creates a robust defense against surveillance and tracking. It's an ideal solution for journalists, activists, and anyone who handles sensitive information online. Section 5. Beyond Tails and Wunix, exploring other privacy-focused options. While Tails and Wunix are excellent choices for anonymous operating systems, the world of privacy-focused software extends further. Let's explore some noteworthy alternatives. First, we have CubesOS. CubesOS takes a compartmentalization approach to security. It allows you to create separate virtual machines, known as cubes, for different tasks. For instance, you can have a cube for banking, another for work, and another for personal browsing. This isolation prevents malware or data leaks from one cube from affecting others. Next, there's Subgraph OS. Built on Debian Linux, Subgraph OS focuses on hardening the operating system against known vulnerabilities. It incorporates features like mandatory access control and kernel hardening to prevent exploits. And then Parrot OS. Parrot OS is a Debian-based distribution designed for security professionals and privacy-conscious individuals. Essential tips for online anonymity. Choosing an anonymous OS is a great first step. Use a VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. This masks your IP address and makes it harder for websites to track you. Be mindful of browser fingerprinting. Use privacy-focused browsers like Tor or Brave. Practice good password hygiene. Consider a password manager. Limit information sharing online. Section 7. The empowering potential of digital anonymity. In a world where our online lives are increasingly intertwined with our offline selves, the pursuit of digital anonymity might seem like a futile endeavor. However, embracing anonymity is not about hiding from the world, but rather about reclaiming our right to privacy and self-determination in the digital age. When we can operate online without the fear of constant surveillance and judgment, we are free to explore new ideas, connect with like-minded individuals, and engage in critical discourse without censorship. Anonymity empowers us to be our true selves, to express our opinions freely, and to access information without restrictions. This freedom is particularly crucial for journalists, activists, and whistleblowers, who rely on anonymity to protect themselves and their sources. Digital anonymity is not a cloak for malicious actors, but rather a shield for the vulnerable and a tool for empowerment. Section 8. Tails. Beyond the surface, a deeper dive into security. We've touched upon Tails' user-friendly installation, but its security features deserve a closer look. First, amnesic by design. True to its name, Tails operates with no memory of your activities. Once you shut down, all your data, browsing history, and files vanish, leaving no trace on the computer. Second, Tor network integration. Tails routes all your internet traffic through the Tor network, a decentralized network of relays operated by volunteers worldwide. This makes it extremely difficult for anyone to track your online activity or identify your location. Third, pre-configured privacy tools. Tails comes equipped with a suite of privacy-enhancing tools, including the Tor browser, KeePassC for password management, and OpenPGP for encrypted communication. These features, combined with its ease of use, make Tails a powerful tool for anyone seeking to enhance their online privacy and security. Section 9. Mastering Tails. Navigating the OS for enhanced privacy. Booting into Tails is just the first step. To maximize your anonymity, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the operating system and its features. Here are some key tips. First, navigating the desktop. Tails features a familiar desktop environment similar to other Linux distributions. You'll find a launcher menu, application shortcuts, and a system tray for accessing essential functions. Second, connecting to the internet. Upon startup, Tails will automatically connect to the Tor network. You can verify the connection status through the Tor browser or the Network Manager applet. Third, using the Tor browser. The Tor browser is your gateway to private browsing in Tails. It's pre-configured with privacy-enhancing settings and extensions to prevent tracking and fingerprinting. Section 10. Real-world applications. Tails in action for journalists and activists. Tails has become an indispensable tool for journalists, activists, and human rights defenders working in challenging environments. Its anonymity and security features enable them to communicate securely, protect their sources, and bypass censorship. First, secure communication. Journalists often use Tails to communicate with confidential sources without compromising their identities. The pre-installed OpenPGP tools allow for secure email encryption, ensuring that sensitive information remains private. Second, circumventing censorship. In countries with strict internet censorship, activists and citizens use Tails to access blocked websites and information. The Tor network helps them bypass government firewalls and access the open internet. These are just a few examples of how Tails empowers individuals and organizations to work safely and effectively in challenging and often dangerous situations. Section 11. The future of anonymity. Challenges and innovations. While tools like Tails and Honix provide a robust defense against surveillance, the landscape of digital privacy is constantly evolving. New threats emerge, and existing technologies face challenges. One significant challenge is the increasing sophistication of surveillance techniques. Governments and corporations are investing heavily in tools and technologies capable of de-anonymizing users and circumventing privacy protections. Another challenge is the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data, potentially identifying patterns and uncovering identities even when traditional anonymity tools are used. Developers and privacy advocates are continuously innovating, developing new tools and techniques to counter these emerging threats. By working together, we can ensure that the internet remains a space where privacy and freedom can flourish.